Welcome, everybody! Are you ready to journey into the world of magic? Don't worry, I'll save us! Magnum Medium Vectorum! Shiny Arc!
And that's why you wanted to become a witch?
Because you saw a monster explode in blood and viscera?
Oh, you just had to be there. It was unbelievable.
Akko, that sounds horrifying to me.
I wouldn't mind it.
She's just so amazing. I would do anything to be like Shiny Chariot.
Well, it would help if you tried studying for once.
What are you talking about, Lotte? I study all the time.
You were asleep for most of class today.
History doesn't count.
And you could probably work on your broom flying a bit more.
Hey, my broomstick flying is phenomenal.
Right. So that mountain of bandages you're wearing is a fashion accessory, is it?
I don't need to take any of this from you. One day, I know I'll be as good as Shiny Chariot.
Yeah, we know you like Shiny Chariot. Believe it or not, I heard you the first time.
So, what's this potion actually supposed to do, Susie?
Don't worry, it's just makeup. This potion will really bring out your features.
Whoa! What did you just do?
Well, I didn't lie, did I?
Why do I even trust you?
If you think that's bad, you should have seen what I did to Diana.
Did somebody call my name? You know I don't like it when people talk behind my back.
What did you do to her?
I slipped an elixir in her drink. Now she speaks in a voice that's a little more fun to listen to.
And when will it wear off?
What do you mean, wear off?
I expect you heard about the dungeon crawling competition later today. For your sake, I hope you're not entering.
So what if I'm entering? I could beat you any day.
I should have you know the rules are somewhat balanced out of your favor. I'm afraid more skilled witches will have an advantage in this game.
So what? Since when did having good looks, intelligence, and superpowers make you so great?
Oh my. Didn't your mother ever tell you not to stick your nose in places they don't belong? Have a nice day now.
Susie, do you have a spare potion?
Why? What do you want?
Deadly nightshade, and lots of it.
The aim of this challenge is to go down into the dungeon and collect as much treasure as possible. The team who brings back the rarest treasure is the winner. However, you should watch your back as monsters will also be...
Isn't this the same place where the school janitor dumps all the trash?
And I really don't want to have a reunion with the school hamster.
You have 3 hours. Good luck.
Hey, slow down, Akko.
How about you speed up? We're never gonna beat Diana at this rate.
The challenge is 3 hours long. We have plenty of time. Besides, it's not like Diana would have found anything exciting by now.
You can't get away from me, you worthless blob. There's no escaping from Akko. Okay, I'm just gonna step away now.
Akko, are you okay?
If you have a change of clothes, then yes, I'm doing great.
Let me handle it. Hey, Minotaur. No need to act so bullish.
Holy shit!
I'm going to loot its corpse. See you, losers!
Can you believe she has such an attitude after we saved her life?
We saved her life? Look, why don't we just go backwards and pick something up the next room we see?
Fine. What even was the last room we passed? Oh, amazing plan, Susie! We can find loads of treasure in here!
I told you the caretaker dumps all the junk here. There's probably something interesting if we look hard enough.
Like what? A used pregnancy test?
We have to head back soon. What should we do?
Oh my god, is it really?
Is what really?
Come on, I know I saw it in here.
Akko, whatever it was you were searching for, it probably isn't worth it.
Oh yeah, well take a look at this! It's a limited edition shiny chariot rod. This is a one-of-a-kind piece of merchandise only available in Europe. I've been wanting one of these for years and I finally got my hands on it.
Is it safe down here? This place isn't on the map.
Huh?
Is that an Iron Maiden?
No, it's a race car bed. Hop in and pretend you're driving. I'll open it up. There must be some amazing treasure in there.
Maybe you shouldn't. Those are stealing spell tags. I don't think anyone wants this thing to ever be opened.
You think I'm scared? What's the worst that could happen? That is the worst that could happen.
Diana! What the hell did you do?
Akko did it.
You know, it isn't a weakness to ask for help.
Well, it would help if you stopped being such a pain in the ass. Oh, Professor! Look what I found. It's a one-of-a-kind shiny chariot limited edition shiny rod. Look at it. Look at it.
Akko, this really isn't the best time for that.
How can you not be excited? I'm practically on fire.
Akko, there's no time. We need to evacuate. Listen and follow my specific instructions. Once all the students are out of the dungeon, I need you to fly to the top of this tower and sound the alarm bell. Ring the bell exactly 4 times to call the evacuation for the entire school. Once that's done, make your way to the south exit. Did you understand all that?
Yes.
Good. Diana, follow me.
So, do you know what she was saying? I kind of fell asleep while she was talking. I could fly to the tower by myself, you know.
Experience would say otherwise.
Hate to break it to you, but it looks like we have a stalker.
Step on it, Lotte! This is not my idea of a fun dungeon crawling competition.
Hang on, I got an idea. Here! How do you like that, you big piece of— Oh,
Susie! This really isn't good. Oh, now look who can't fly a broom. Lotte? Oh, shit. Oh, double shit.
Hey,
Hello?
do you know what's gonna happen now?
You're gonna let me go?
You gotta love an optimist.
Yeah, you gotta love them. In fact, I can't get enough of them. I hear there's a whole crowd of them far, far away from here. Why don't you go search for them right now? I hear they're